Hi, my name's Aaron. I'm with Fleetistics, and I want to talk to you about the Rosco Vision System dual vision in-vehicle camera system that I just had our demo unit installed in my truck. And I'll go ahead and show you a picture of that. And this camera here is one that will record non-stop on a loop. It's got an SD card in there, 64 gigabyte SD card that is constantly looping the video in case something happens. It is also integrated with the Geotab GPS tracking and telematics device, where the GPS exceptions that are created by the telematics unit are then matched to the video content in the cloud, and that information is provided to the user as a snippet when an exception takes place. So for example, in most GPS platforms you can get an email or maybe a pop-up alert on your screen. When you're running the dual vision camera system in conjunction with the Geotab GPS tracking and telematics unit, you can actually get a video snippet of what's going on. So if I was to harsh brake or if I was to have an accident, the video content is automatically provided in the cloud and safeguarded in the cloud. Now I can still come back into the vehicle and get the SD card and download it that way, or if I just want to scrub through the video on the SD card, I can do that to see what's going on if an exception wasn't generated. For a slight upcharge, you can actually log in and view live right through the camera and see what the driver is seeing in near real time. And there's frame rate considerations and data costs and things like that that go along with that. So there are, it's not like looking at it yourself, but you can see essentially what the driver is seeing as you move down the road. So if you're really into the next level of fleet safety and you want interior camera as well as exterior camera accountability, or you could actually add up to a total of 8 cameras with this particular system, including a dome camera, side cameras, backup camera, all of which can be captured and recorded on the SD cards, then give Fleetistics a call. We'd love to help you. If you found this interesting, please share it and like it down below, and we'll bring you more good content here in the future. But check us out at fleetistics.com. Thank you.